Alright, so welcome to today's talk, and I'm going to talk to you today about one of the commonest gastrointestinal disease in today's times, um, hiatus hernia. And this is very common in today's lifestyle disease patterns because of the diet we have, because of the sleep patterns we have, because of the stress we have, and there isn't much treatment available for this. But the good news is that homeopathy has a very good treatment for this kind of disorders. And I want to share with you one of the interesting cases here. This is a case of a hiatus hernia of about a 55-year-old man who came to see me. You can see this endoscopic report which shows hiatus hernia and Schatz rings and erosions in the fundus, who had come with a lot of gastritis and gastric symptoms. Typically, you can see this kind of erosion as well. So typically he developed a lot of gastrointestinal issues, a lot of erosion, ulcers, dyspepsia, um, pains, chest pains, weakness. He was putting on a lot of weight. His cholesterol was high, triglycerides were high. Emotionally also he was in a lot of stress. He went through a lot of stress. Very often we have seen that this kind of condition can be connected with stress also. And this is very important homeopathy, because in homeopathy we try to understand the person in the disease. Um, he spoke about his life and how he is anxious about everything, how he felt even smallest thing can be a very big disease. He's very anxious about his health and health of others and family members, so he constantly goes into a panic. This is what we do in homeopathy. We try to understand the person, how they react in different situations, what are the different situations in life, how he has responded to, how was his childhood, what was the memories in the childhood, his dreams, his fears, his interests. So understanding all of this, we gave homeopathic remedy, and his main feeling was that his body is very fragile, his body is very brittle. Smallest thing, some big disease he will get. So understanding all of this, so I prescribed him a homeopathic remedy. um, and I followed up every month, and at the end of 7 months, his you can see his latest scan show that his entire stomach is normal now. You can see his endoscopy show total normalcy. Not just that, his gastric symptoms were reduced by 70%. This was only with homeopathic medicine. His state of mind, his guilt, he had a lot of guilt complexes, a lot of other sexual problems he had, his gastric symptoms. So they were all totally cured. So this is the potential of homeopathy in hiatus hernia. Many cases, not just this, but related to it, where homeopathy can help. So if some of you are having this kind of problem, you should meet a good homeopath and give a very detailed history, where the homeopath can understand you and prescribe homeopathy.